Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you've seen by the thumbnail, in today's video I have a considerably large bag from Primark. So this is my spring haul, and if you want to see what's in the bag, then just keep on watching. But before we dive into the bag, don't forget that there's a button down below that lets me know you liked it, so click it if you did. And also if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe with the button in the corner or down below for new videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so there aren't many items, but they're really good items. And I'm gonna start with one of the first things I found on the store. I got this jumper, and this was available in this kind of orangey red color and also in khaki green. So it's a really nice, very simple jumper, and it also feels very soft. And then on the back you get a row of buttons. These are like beige brown buttons going down the middle. This at first really sparked my eye. I really like this color, and I also like the design of it. And then I also got very excited because this was reduced from 10 euros to 5 euros. So this beautiful jumper cost me only 5 euros, and I got it in a size medium, that is a UK 12 to 14, and it's relatively loose on me. I will try to insert a few try-on clips. So this was the first item. Okay, so this is what the jumper looks like. I feel like it's very cozy. The material is really soft, and I really like the length of it. I am not a big fan of cropped things. And then on the back you get the buttons. I really wasn't the biggest fan of the buttons the first time I saw it, but then when I saw it put on, I liked them. Then I really wanted some new black jeans, so I got these. These are not full black. I mean, in the camera they look black, but in personal they look like a little bit of washed out black, and they do have fake pockets on the front, and then they have real pockets on the back. And these are the push-up mid-rise, and they feel very elastic. They feel super comfortable, and they say they are mid-rise, but they are almost high-waisted. And they were 11 euros. I had to go find the receipt. But yeah, these are very comfortable, and they are kind of a skinny leg, but they are not too tight. And yeah, these are very comfortable, and they were exactly what I was looking for. Okay, so I am trying to show you the jeans. So this is what they look like. As I've said, they are skinny and they feel very comfortable. And I didn't mention, but I am a size 42, so these are UK 14, I think. And I think it's a shame that the pockets on the front are fake, but they do look very flattering. And then also on the back, I think they look really nice. And I really like the color and the soft touch. I feel like they're very comfortable. Then the next item, I got it from the men's section because they have very, very good t-shirts, and this is very wrinkly, by the way, but this is a kind of washed out black, is almost kind of a gray color, and this is a Game of Thrones t-shirt. So on the front you have the Targaryen symbol and then the Game of Thrones logo, and on the back is really, really pretty. You got the House Targaryen symbol, and then there's a lot of text that I haven't read yet. So it says, oh, it's so good. I did this is so me. I saw the Targaryen house symbol and I didn't think twice. So basically on top of the House Targaryen symbol on the back, it says Daenerys, Stormborn of House Targaryen, rightful heir of the Iron Throne, rightful queen of the Andals, and first man, protector of the Seven Kingdoms, the mother of dragons, the Khaleesi of the Great Grass Sea, the unburned, the breaker of chains. So I am a really big fan of Daenerys. I am dying for the new Game of Thrones season, and I got this in a size extra small, so this was from the men's section, and this was 10 euros. And then, as we are a couple of nerds, my fiance got the exact same t-shirt, but only in this size extra large, also for 10 euros. So we'll be kind of a matching couple. There's the t-shirt. Let me just get that out. I feel like it's really, really cute. I mean, I am a nerd, so to me, this is cute. And yeah, I feel like it's really good, and it's not oversized, but you could get it oversized. Maybe I will try. I can try on also the one from my fiance if you want to see like an oversized t-shirt, but I like the length of it. And then also I love the back of it. So yeah, I think the t-shirt is also really nice. So yeah, this is the male size extra large. If you want a more oversized baggy t-shirt, I don't know, maybe even as a t-shirt dress. I don't really like that, but you could also tuck it inside your jeans, do some things like that. I think it's a really, really pretty t-shirt. Okay, and then sadly for the last item, I know this was kind of a short Primark haul, but we are saving money for the wedding, so that's for a good cause. And speaking of the wedding, I did get something for the honeymoon, and spoiler alert, we're going to Disneyland Paris, and I got a backpack. So this is really, really beautiful. This is Mickey and Minnie Mouse, and it's a quite big backpack, but I really wanted something like this to carry around our camera, some water, some snacks, things like that. And so you have a zipper in the front that is a really nice size, and you also get this really cute zipper. The straps on the back also look really good, and then you get the main bag, which is quite large, and you have a small compartment with a zipper on the back, and you also get like a few dividers on the front. So this is really, really cute, and it was only 16 euros, that I think for this kind of quality and large backpack is an excellent price. And then also for you can see better the size of the backpack. This is what it looks like. I think it's a really good size. And I mean, it's completely empty right now, but you also have adjustable straps. So this is what it looks like, and I really love it. So yeah, that is everything for this haul, and it was a little small, but I really loved the items I got. Let me know in the comments below which of the items was your favorite, and if you like this video, then it would help me a lot if you would give me a thumbs up. And also, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, then you can do it with the button in the corner or down below for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And yeah, that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.